TeamFullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. Today I'm here to do a deep conditioner hair treatment. I went to the TK Maxx and I picked up some few products from the Cantu shea butter, and I want to come and try the hair mask on my daughter's hair. I have already washed and detangled the hair, so the hair is clean, and I thought, you know what, let's try some of this hair mask treatment from Cantu. I'm going to separate the hair. I really like to go in with the products on the hair. I really like to really soak the hair with some product. Her hair is growing so fast and getting so thick, and you need a lot of products. You know, I'm not really kind of like very stingy with product when it comes to hair. I like to go in with the product, so that's the reason why I like to section the hair into tiny pieces and really work the product into the hair. And it smells really nice actually. This hair mask had a really beautiful smell, and I really loved it. Last time I did the hair, I trimmed the end a little bit because she wanted to blow dry the hair and she wanted to do some curls. I was a little bit scared that maybe the heat is going to damage her hair, but I'm so glad that none of that happened, because after we were done with the curls and I put the heat on her hair, I used a lot of heat protector, but after that I went in with some protein hair treatment that I DIY'd myself because I was kind of scared that her hair is going to be damaged, but luckily it didn't, so I'm really grateful. And hair mask treatment is something I like. Sometimes I do make my own DIY hair product. Once in a while I like to use product that I picked up from TK Maxx, because right now at the TK Maxx is one of my favorite store when it comes to hair mask, deep conditioner and stuff like that, because when you go there you meet like really good product for half of the price, you know. And they're still really good, because that's one thing I had concern with, because whenever I go there I ask the lady, are these products still good? And she's like, yeah, they're still really good, you know, just that maybe it's out of the store and the store don't want to sell this anymore and they bring it to us. I was like, okay, because normally these products, the hair mask I'm using right now, when you buy it in the normal store, like in the African store where you have African hair product, you buy it for like 12 euros, but at TK Maxx I picked it up for like 5 euros, 4.99, 5 euros. So that was really good, and it was sealed, it was closed, everything was still intact, and I really loved it. So after applying the hair mask, I like to go in with my DIY hair growth oil, because you know I love that oil. I barely buy, I don't buy oil anymore. I DIY my own oils. I still have a lot of DIY oil that I have made that are still sitting down and soaking. So yeah, I use my DIY oil and then I wrap her hair with this plastic bag. I let her sit underneath the steaming cap for like 20 minutes, and after that we went and washed the hair. She also loved the smell of the hair mask. It was like, oh, it smells so beautiful. So this was in the evening after we've washed the hair. Now I'm going in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner and also the whipped buttercream. I also picked this up from TK Maxx as well, and I really loved it. It really nice, you know. So I'm going in both of this product to moisturize the hair. Like, I want the hair to be soaked with moisturize, because these days she has been really enjoying leaving the hair out, but luckily today she was like, mom, after all of this process I want to have my hair in braid. So she shows me this braid that she wants to have, and so I want to moisturize the hair, and then the next day I'm going to braid the hair, because this was late in the evening, so I just wanted to like moisturize the hair and allow the moisturizer to sit into the hair, and then the next day I can braid the hair, and then it's much more easier, you know, at least the hair is well moisturized and the next day is easy. So I really like to go in with the moisturizer. I like to make sure I separate the hair and individually and make sure that the moisturizer hits everywhere. So I'm going in between the moisturizer and the whip buttercream, because I really love the whip buttercream. It gave me the feeling like the when I make my own shea butter buttercream, that's the kind of texture it gives me. I really really like it. It smells also really really nice, and I love the way it makes the hair feels actually. You know, I love the way it feels on the hair. I have been loving it. I really really loved it. I loved it on her hair, and I can't wait to actually try it on my own hair as well. I know it's also gonna feels good because it really feels good on her own hair, and I really really loved it. So I'm just gonna like really go in with the product because well, I don't really play when it comes to my kids hair. Like on my own hair, I'm kind of like on and off because I know I'm always cutting off my hair, but when it comes to this kid's hair, I really take my time. You know, I'm not really rushing. When it's hair day, it's hair day. I really plan myself. I'm like, you know what, this weekend it's hair day, and I know I have no other thing to do except and taking off the old braid, detangle the hair, washing the hair, moisturizing the hair, and then I allow her to breathe for a couple of minutes, like just allow her to breathe for the whole for the half of the day, and then the next day I'll go in and do a protective hairstyle because I feel like today I've already washed the hair, I detangle the hair, I take out the old braid and I detangle and I wash the hair. I also went in with some deep conditioner hair treatment and then washed the hair out. Now I'm going in with some moisturizer. So if I go in later again to do a protective hairstyle, it's going to be too much for her. So I like to like differentiate the day. I like to like differentiate it so that it's not also a difficult process for her because I want her to love the process of doing her own hair. Her hair. I want her to love the process of doing her hair, and I don't want it to be like, oh, you have to take your whole day of doing hair. So I try to like separate it a little bit as she grow older because when we first started, I only take out the old braids and then the next day I will detangle and wash, and then the following day I will do the protective hairstyle. So we have actually upgrade to taking out the old braid, detangle, wash, moisturize, and then the next day do protective hairstyle. So we have less in one day, you know. So now she's grown older, she's 10 years old, and she's also loving her hair. She loves her hair so much. She always wants to leave her curly hair out. Most of the time, 70 to 80%, she always wants to leave her hair naturally curly, like very fluffy on her hair. And some of the time she wants to have a protective hairstyle. So the whole of the week she had her hair was out and she loved it. And today she was like, okay, now I want some braid. And so I thought, you know what, let me moisturize the hair properly. Like I'm really, really, I go in with a lot of moisturizer. I remember a friend of mine told me like, don't you think you're using too much of moisturizer? And I'm like, nah, you can never use too much, you know. I just love the way it feels. So I'm just going in. I really focus on the end of the hair. Like, you know, the end of the hair is like one of the oldest parts of the hair. So I really like to pay attention to that. And I love the way the hair feels. The hair feels so good, really really nice. Like I really go in, I use a lot of product, trust me. I use a lot. That's the reason why anytime I'm at TK Maxx, when I see something I just pick it up. I just pick it up. So now that I've moisturized the hair and the hair is feeling really really nice, I'm going in with my hair growth oil. You guys know I always like to finish it with my hair growth oil, just a little bit. I try not to put a lot of oil because too much oil can actually weigh the hair down. But since we are going to do a protective hairstyle, I really do not mind. But I really don't put a lot of oil, you know, and I really just want to lock the product in. And that's the reason why I'm going in with the hair oil. And I love my hair oil. My hair oil is really really nice. I try to add some peppermint and tea tree, you know, for the smell because it helps calm down the smell. She loved the minty smell, and so I add a few drops of peppermint oil into it. So yeah, so far so good. This is what the hair is looking, and so far it looks really nice. I loved it, and yeah, these are the products I use. So stay tuned for the next video where we are going to be doing the protective hairstyle. And I love how the curls are looking. You know, this is just moisturizing. It looks so beautiful, and I love it.